We're here in Margate for the Hornby 2020 range announcement. Stick with us as we cover everything that has been announced today. We are taking a closer look at Hornby's brand new Class W1 Hush Hush 464 locomotive, available to pre-order in double O gauge with 5 variations, 3 with the original high pressure boiler and 2 in its modified condition working for BR and LNER. Both toolings are fully covered with this individual 464 wheel arrangement, with many details applied on the model. Currently, it's at the 3D printed body shell stage as we see here. It is available to pre-order right now on hattons.co.uk and is expected to arrive with us before the end of 2020. It's unlike any other locomotive ever in Hornby's catalogue with its unique high pressure boiler and 464 wheel arrangement. It's the pinnacle of Hornby's LNER icons such as the A3 and the A4, has a place to fill in any express locomotive connection, or if you are a fan of LNER locomotives, this is the perfect model for you. This is just one of the many great models announced today, all of which are available to pre-order right now on hattons.co.uk, or click the link in the description for more information.